All right, so we're going to go ahead and make a table: distance, rate, time, and I'll just say to Kansas City and to New York. Okay, so the rate of the plane flying to Kansas City is 500 kilometers per hour, and we'll call the time T. Okay, and then the rate of the plane flying to New York is 700 kilometers per hour. And since it left an hour later, its time is going to be T minus 1. So let's just think about this real quick. If we have KC and we have New York, and then the plane flying to, I don't know, New York is right there, and then the plane flying to Kansas City, let's just say they meet right here, they cross paths right here. Well, here's the dealio. This total distance is 2100, right? So the distance to Kansas City is determined by rate times time, or 500 times t, and the distance to New York is determined by 700 times t minus 1. So the point being is when they meet, the total distance between the two of them is going to add up to 2100. So that means that 500t plus 700 times t minus 1 is going to be equal to 2100. So we go ahead and solve for t. 500t plus 700t minus 700 is equal to 2100. Let me go ahead and scroll that down. We're going to need to extend the page here. See if it'll do. There we go. And so we have 1200t is equal to 2800. So we take the time, and that's going to be equal to 2800 over 1200. And that's going to equal, let's see, 2800 over 12, so 14 over 6, which is 7 over 3, which is 2 and 1/3 hours, right? Which is actually 2 hours and 20 minutes. So that's how long it'll take. So the first plane started at 10:30, right? So if we add 2 hours, 20 minutes, that's 11:30, 12:30, 12:50. So it'll be 12:50 p.m. All right, shoot me an email if any of that doesn't make sense.